Fierce winds and dry conditions making the next 24 hours very dangerous in Los Angeles and Los Angeles County, California. Firefighters battling several active wildfires that have already destroyed thousands of buildings, killed 24 people. ABC's Melissa Adan reports from Altadena, California.
The fire danger isn't over. That's the message from officials in Los Angeles, calling the fire risk still critical. Powerful winds that can fuel flames being felt today and expected to last until Wednesday.
We're carefully managing our operations to ensure that we can quickly respond to any new fires, in addition to the increased call volume across the city of Los Angeles.
Officials say the Eaton fire has not grown over the last 2 days, but a new brush fire did erupt overnight. This one in Ventura County, about 55 miles from Los Angeles. The so-called auto fire stoked by high winds.
The wind is blowing this fire right along the riverbed.
The officials urging everyone to be ready to evacuate, even if they just get a warning alert.
We have lots of concerns about the red flag warnings. We've been monitoring the fires every day.
During a brief lull in the wind, the mayor and fire officials took an aerial tour of the damage.
The massive destruction is unimaginable until you actually see it.
Workers who helped evacuate residents from a Pasadena nursing home last week were able to return. The building gone.
When I first rounded the corner and saw the building, I couldn't control my emotions. This was our home.
FEMA opening 2 disaster recovery centers in Pasadena and West Los Angeles today. This is where they've already received more than 40,000 applications and provided $8 million in immediate assistance so far. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Altadena.